So the first thing I'm going to do is put the base back on, put the screws back in. Back on, put this LED. And let's put these. There you go. Right. There is in the kettle, and this here, make sure it's up the right way. Push that in place. Right, next, I'll put it back on, make sure it's up the right way. Put the screw back in there. That's it. Right, next is to put the wire. Right, let's put that screw back in. Line it up. Goes in there. Like so. Clips there. This is the cover for the on-off button. That goes in there. Like so. That slides in there. That's quite tricky. That goes in there. Now that's important so that the steam goes up into here to trigger this to turn on. So it's now done. Let's put this screw back in. Make sure you do put it all together correctly. Piece is the cover. So we're going to slide that, slide it in. Got to bend it slightly to get it in. And there you go.